A group of scientists have confined PETA India's director on a restraint chair, forcing her to undergo same kind of experiments that the animals at Palamur Biosciences have to undergo every day. Over 1,200 animals, including beagle dogs, monkeys, pigs, cows, and other animals, were found to be experimented for drugs, pesticides, and medical devices in Palamur Biosciences. Whistleblower revealed that over 100 dogs were killed in a day just because Palamur seemed that they were no longer useful for them. There are over 73 dogs marked for rehabilitation by Palamur itself, which they refuse to release, despite the fact that a lot of NGOs have approached them for providing loving homes. We are here urging the CCSEA to act on its own appointed inspector's report and release all the animals from the laboratory along with a review of licenses of Palamur Biosciences.